Testing the microphone, testing. So I'm going to start by cutting it from here, guys. Let me cut it from here so you guys will see. Hello my beautiful people, how you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing great as well as keeping safe. As you guys can see, I have another recipe. The recipe for today is banana bread. You guys can see I have my yeast. This one they call it here lievito di birra. You guys see I'm going to melt it in my milk. I have my butter, my 1 egg, my 2 banana, my sugarcane sugar, as well as my flour. I'll be getting a little pinch of salt later. With this, I'll be preparing today my banana bread. Salve bella gente, buon pomeriggio, buongiorno a tutti voi. Oggi c'ho da preparare latte, lievito di birra, zucchero di canna e poi 2 banane. Con questo qua preparerò questo banana oggi, quindi my beautiful people, welcome you all back to Fitable Rosemary Kitchen. How you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing great as well as keeping safe, because you guys know keeping safe is very important. You guys see I have another recipe. The recipe for today is banana bread. I present you my banana, my 1 egg, my milk, my butter, my sugarcane sugar, as well as my flour together with my bowl. With all these, I'll be preparing my banana bread for today. Bella gente, salve a tutti voi. Ho un'altra ricetta da presentare a voi. La ricetta oggi è pane di banana. Come potete vedere c'è banana, c'è l'uovo, il latte, burro, zucchero di canna e la farina. Con questo qua preparerò questo pane alla banana di oggi. Quindi non andate via, se sedete sul vostro divano, comodo come sempre, così potete vedere. As all my amazing subscribers for always coming to watch my video. Thank you very much. God bless each and every one of you. Continue liking and sharing my video. God is going to bless each and every one of you abundantly in the name of God, the Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. Oh, my beautiful people, without wasting much of the time, let's go and start the preparation for today for my banana bread. Let's go, guys. Thing I'll be smashing my bananas. It's very ripe, so you don't need much to see it's fall off already. So I'll smash my banana together with my sugar. Bella gente, la banana come si può dire? Lo smaccio, cosa? Rosemary, cosa combina? Allora, con lo zucchero di canna ora. Okay guys, so now I'm going to smash my bananas with my sugar. So I will get back to you. As I finish smashing my banana, I'll keep it aside. So now I have to melt my yeast in my milk. Okay, it's okay. Okay, guys. I need a spoon, so I'm going to stir. Okay, so I'm going to keep it aside. So now bring this back now, guys. Sorry, guys. So I'm going to add my flour. I'm going to break my egg. Bella gente, avete visto cosa sto facendo? Now I'm going to add my butter. Then I'll start mixing, guys. Let me get my pinch of salt. Okay. So now, guys, then now I'll be adding my yeast little by little, guys. Okay, so I will get back to you later. So guys, you can see how it's looking now. Come potete vedere com'è. Ora I have to put it in 1 minute so I can just work on it a little. Then I'll be allowing it to rest for 25 minutes, 30 minutes. You guys can see. Let me put it here so you guys. Okay. So now I'm going to leave it here and cover it and allow to rest for 30 minutes, 40 minutes, depending. Then I will get back to you, okay guys? After 40 minutes, this is how it's looking. A bella gente, dopo 40 minuti, ora bisogna cominceremo la lavorazione di infornare. Okay. What I'm going to do, I'm going to add some flour. so I can be able to work on it properly. Ok, la gente bisogna lavorarci un pochettino sopra con un po' di farina sul piano di lavoro. You need to work much on it. It's just flapping on all by itself, guys. Come potete vedere, come è venuto, non è che c'è da lavorarci tanto, però lavoriamo un pochettino, così si può fare. Ok, guys. So this my banana bread, guys. I will be putting it here in my oven pot. Come sapete, bella gente, il pane lo devo cuocere qui dentro, quindi ora devo fare questo. Va bene così, e questa la mia pentola. Then I'm gonna put it right inside, guys. So I'm gonna show you guys when I'm done. Guys, this is my bread lying on my oven pot. Ma come potete vedere l'ho già steso. Ora andiamo alla cottura. Okay, so guys, I'll be cooking it here for about 20-30 minutes. So I'll be coming once in a while to check on it, guys. I'll see you guys in 30 minutes time. Okay, let's take a look to our banana bread. It has been cooking now for 30 minutes, guys. Wow! Come potete vedere, bella gente, come è venuto il mio pane alla banana. As you guys can see, it is very ready. It's cooked properly, guys. You guys just take a look. Oh, just take a look, guys. I'm touching it, you can see, but it's hot. But it's now time for me to put it off, guys. So I'll be showing you later when it's cold, so we can cut it together and see how it's looking, guys. Thank you very much. Oh, for those that see my video for the very first time, hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell, so whenever I upload a new video, you guys will always see. To all my returning subscribers, guys, let's take a look at our banana bread. Oh, voila. So you guys can see it's really cooked, very cooked. You guys can take a good look at my banana bread. So let's cut now and see how it's looking inside, guys. You guys know I like testing the microphone. Testing. So I'm going to start by cutting it from here, guys. Let me cut it from here, so you guys will see. Bella gente, potete vedere, facciamo una bella cosa così. You guys just take a good look at my banana bread, how it came out, guys. You guys can see. You take a good look, guys. You see it's really cooked. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. God bless you. Peace and love.